Hello everyone, I'm your host Natasha Bridgmohan and welcome to the Financial Room, and thank you for joining us today. We are wrapping up the month of January, and I really hope that you had a lot of takeaways from my previous episodes in terms of becoming financially responsible or financially sound, or continue to add on your financial success if you are already there. So we're going to be talking about the pandemic that has caused a severe boost in the real estate market value in Canada. So this pandemic has boosted real estate values right across each province from east to west coast in Canada. So we're going to talk to you about how you can learn a little bit about real estate if you have minor experience in it, and how you can take advantage of what is happening right now. So this pandemic has done a lot of damage to a lot of small businesses, and a lot of us have lost loved ones or experienced the illness in severe ways too as well. And our heart goes out to those of you who have lost loved ones, or for those who are still in the hospital fighting this COVID disease. Now, in regards to real estate, if I may say, the real estate market has poised to continue to be strong, and the prices are adjusting. Economists and statistics are actually saying that this year in 2021, the housing market is going to see about a 10% price increase, not only in major cities, but believe it or not, in outskirt towns too as well. And that's very, very important for you to understand, that the average price from $453,000 is going to be going up to $498,000 in these areas. The GDP growth, gross domestic price index, is going to be about 3.7% increase this year, which is really, really good. Cost of borrowing, Bank of Canada overnight lending rate is going to remain the same. And there are going to be certain drops in the real estate value in pocket areas, but overall the real estate market is in demand. High demand, low supply increases value too as well. So what can you do if you are a real estate owner? Well, if you're a real estate owner, you can always take advantage of your equity, consolidate, refinance debts. About only 6% of Canadians during the pandemic, based on recent stats, has been forced to sell their home, unfortunately. And that is actually a very good percentage than what strategists and economists predicted. So that's a really good sign too as well. And about 40% homeowners, of course, as well, they've shown that are in need of home repairs in terms of capital expenditures, such as roof, windows, driveways, and upgraded kitchens or landscaping and so forth. So if you're sitting on home equity in your home, instead of borrowing from high interest credit cards or high interest loans, use your equity in your home to build on growing the value of your home by investing in those capital expenditures for renovations. And of course, as well, if you are not a real estate homeowner, get in there. First-time home buyer rates are as low as 0.99%. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone. Get your children involved if they're working. There's so many free down payment programs, so many ways to borrow money and still be qualified. You need to start thinking out of the box if you want to live in a world-class country that has high real estate value and not so much good in terms of income qualifying borrowing availability for first-time home buyers and the millennial generation. Pick up the phone. Don't be afraid. We have low interest rates. We are always here for you. And thank you for joining us here today at the Financial Room. Stay safe, everyone.